you a Star Wars fan? No, that's not Star Wars.
That's
the,
something different.
Starship Enterprise. Oh, well, I guess I'm not. Well, the Star Wars Episode 8, I think that is.
Yeah,
That's
man,
8.
The Last Jedi.
The Last Jedi is out. If you don't watch Star Wars, like me, you won't understand anything that I'm about to say. Probably I won't understand it either. Rey develops her newly discovered abilities with the guidance of Luke Skywalker, I know who that is, who is unsettled by the strength of her powers. Meanwhile, the Resistance prepares to do battle with the First Order. If you're a Star Wars fan, this is definitely a Christmas must-see. Are you a Star Wars fan?
No. The only thing I remember about Star Wars is, Luke, I am your father.
I am
That's
your
the
father.
only thing.
You know what I know about
the
Star
only
Wars? Lupita Nyong'o was in one of them.
That's the actress.
Yeah.
Was she coming? Which other movie is she coming on?
12 Years a Slave.
Yes.
That's the one that she's most popular for.
I don't know much
but
about Star Wars.
most definitely, I'm not a Star Wars fan, so I don't know what we're talking about right here. But if you are, go out, see it out, go on, go watch it at the theater. And don't bootleg the people them something. Go watch it at the theater. Don't bootleg it. What are you? You're supposed to be like a good Santa Fairy person today. What are you doing?
Not champion the cause. Champion the cause. I just go out and see it. Okay. On Thursday morning, the San Marina Foundation held its Disability Kiddies Treat in collaboration with JUTC at Half a Tree Transport Center in St. Andrew. In the spirit of Christmas season, the children were feted to a morning of carol singing, gifts, and my favorite, snacks. The foundation said the event is a part of the mandate in which it sees the human potential of the nation as its most valuable resource.
You know, kids like treats. We've got lots of gifts under the tree today, and we have lots of kids passing by. Yeah. So we have wonderful things to give away.
And I like treats too.
So the San Marino Foundation, they were the ones who gave that to the kids, and we're definitely grateful to them for trying to do that and make some kids smile. You know, when me was a little pickinini, me love fit and them something there.
Yeah. Me love it because of the food. I'm not gonna tell
food?
You. Yeah,
no, man. When you was little picnic, you did love it because of food too.
Yes.
As from them time they eat.
Man.
Well, I didn't have an appetite like that when I was growing up. Mine, this from like 8th grade, something just like went pow. Like I think maybe my belly button just bust and then all the food just started going to my toe or something.
Sometimes I dress up, but I'm mostly food.
Always like partying and dressing up, so that's good.
I go for the food. Anywhere I go, from
you do it for the food, you don't do it for the dance.
Yeah, I do it for the food, I do it for the dressing. Food, I go for. Like if my friends show up at a Christmas party,
them say food you come for. No, that's a bad precursor to you. Anyway, that's it for Trending Topics this morning. We don't have much there, but we have an awesome show coming up for you.